So you rough dry it 80 to 85%, always put the product in, and then you have sections right here. And then these squares, see these little squares? All right, now we're doing the Beach Wave Blowout. I'm gonna use I Want Body Volume Foam. Get in those ends. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt spray to hold it better because it's a beach wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I just want a little on top too. Okay, now I'm gonna use Smooth Me Now just for her overall ends. Comb it all through and then you can section. Make sure you have product in there. Find out where they want it, look for their natural part, which is right about here. I'm gonna kinda separate that. So you rough dry it 80 to 85%, always put the product in, and then you have sections right here. And then these squares, see these little squares, are what you're gonna take and you're gonna roll it. And I'm gonna teach you a special way to roll that brush, to wrap it, to get your beach waves. Okay, and so you can use a brick pattern, you can use a straight pattern, you don't have to do it brick if you don't want, but you do have to have the curls this side of the head, coming forward, rolling back, and then this side of the head coming forward this way and rolling back. And I really learned to use my other hand for this blowout because I was not always good, and I used to just try to blow dry the whole thing with my right hand, but then the other side's gonna come out the same, but you don't want them the same. You want them to be beautiful going back, not all of the hair going back and then this side is going forward. You want everything to go back. So I had to learn to switch the hand, which is actually very good because if you use this hand, it actually makes the other side of your brain work, so it's gonna make you smarter too. So just saying. So we keep the brush vertical. You're gonna keep the brush like this, and we take those curls, and this way we're gonna take them almost like towards the face, and then you roll it, roll it, roll it, dry, 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 and then we're gonna take the brush this way, and then you're gonna pull. Then you take the brush that way and pull again. I would take the first one down at the bottom. And you can just get everything else up, or you could section the whole thing out first if you'd like. To save time, you don't have to. You could save that for after. I love saving time. Remember, simple salon solutions. The smaller the brush, the more the beach wave it's gonna be. So I wanna use a smaller brush, so that's what I'm gonna do. That beach wave is gonna be a little tighter. Here's my little box. I'm baking in that curl right there. That curve, right? Now I'm gonna turn the brush this way and I'm gonna pull. I'm gonna heat up that little part right there. I'm gonna turn the brush and then pull. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. See that nice little form? And then you're gonna let it set. Make sure it's dry enough. I wanna go over it again. And you could break this back in half, where you do 1, 2. This side is gonna roll that way. We're gonna do it this way and roll this in the middle, and this side is gonna roll that way. There's gonna be 2 sections, so there'll be 4 total on this very lower bottom. But always remember, I'm pulling this. I'm not just doing it where it is. I'm pulling it forward first. Then I'm rolling it. I'm going to turn it sideways, twist it, pull it. Now we'll take the next section and you can go all the way around. So that's not enough there. So now I'm going to go up higher back here. A little more. Just remember, as long as you just do boxes, you'll be nice and set. Now I'm going to start around her face. And trust me, when you brush this whole thing out, it looks so, so good. And this is what you do through the whole head. Super easy. You just have to make sure you're holding the brush up vertically and pulling it forward. If you need to get hair out of the way, if it's too hard, you just take that and here's your box. You always want to just make sure you have a box, right? I'll get that, get this out of my way, because now I'm doing it a different way, so I have to turn it and get that hair out of my way. I want to show you something. I want you just to see from this one bend. See how it started already? It's super important to see. That bend has already started because I take it and I'm just taking the blow dryer and going back and forth. I roll the brush back and forth. Make sure this gets hot, right? But you see the bend already started. And you just go to that same bend if you let that hair go. And now I'm going to take her top and her part, I'm going to do it about here. So this one I might have like an extra little section. And I'm going to take this would be like her bang. I'm going to bring it forward as if I was going to feather it back. I'm going to really dry this. I'm going to get on top of here and then dry this. It almost looks like a J. Like if you come down, you make a J. Straight up and down, blow dry, turn, twist, pull, blow dry, blow dry, turn, twist, pull. And then we'll feather that back after. And I need to tell you guys something. See how this is not a perfect square? It's okay. I want you to know it doesn't have to be a perfect square, but you're always looking to try to make a square for the most part. But just know, even if it's a little crooked, it's okay, and it's still gonna work. You definitely have to let them cool off a moment or two. And then once they do, you can let them, oh, you can brush them. And you're gonna see pretty, nice, beautiful beach curls. And then you kind of make it what you want. And if you need to do any more over again, you just do them over. Look how pretty those curls are. Beautiful, beautiful beach waves. That's how you do beach wave blowout.